Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a little testing around with my curls, and I remembered a really long time ago my mom used to do my hair in these Bantu knots, and I liked the way the curls came out, so I wanted to try it again. So I started off with a clean scalp, and I massaged my usual henna and fenugreek infused Ayurvedic oil into my scalp. Next, I went in with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I really like to massage that everywhere. I'm trying to get rid of my other conditioners, so I'm using some of my Suave Shea Butter and Almond Conditioner. I have many bottles, so yeah. And finally, I seal it all in with some organic castor oil. I like this a lot because it's thick and I love how my hair dries afterwards, so this will definitely be a replacement for my coconut oil. I generally like to use my other brush one, Detangling, but I didn't feel like bringing it, and I had this large tooth comb next to me, so I use that to detangle my hair again and make sure everything is saturated and well spread out. And I'm separating my hair just to make it a little bit easier, and at first I was going to make it organized and part my hair nicely and do the cutesy Bantu knots, like you can leave it as the style as is, but I didn't feel like it and my arms were definitely already tired, so I just kind of separated it with my fingers since I was only wearing it overnight and I was going to take it out once it dried. But I realized I need rubber bands to keep it all together because they kept falling out and it was getting very frustrating, and they didn't sit, but nobody's going to see it, so whatever. Well, I mean, except for you. But we're not going to talk about that. I don't know why, but this part was the most fun for me to do. It was just really satisfying, and even after you twisted it and the ones that just fell out automatically before I can tie it with the rubber band, the curls came out really nice. So, I mean, if you don't want it sitting in the knots, you can just twist it and let it fall and be how it is. When you're finally done, you can celebrate your achievement of making it through your workout for the day and tie your hair up and let it dry overnight or under a dryer if you're impatient. The other fun part was taking them out and watching the curls fall and bounce right back up. Be careful not to miss any of them. I tried to keep it organized and do it in order, but it just didn't happen that way, and I missed a couple of knots, so I found them eventually. But they came out really tight and really bouncy, and my hair looks drastically shorter, but it's not. And separating each of the curls were a little bit tedious, and I didn't get most of it, so my hair doesn't look as fluffy as if I were to just leave it and let it air dry. It tames it a lot and it comes out really cute, and you can do a bunch of really cute hairstyles with it, so be free. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and you can head over to my main channel or my other channel. I don't know which one's my main anymore, but I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovelies next time.